Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube, and my this video is about some different length of pencil heel in really beautiful design and different color combination that looks really amazing and really pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of heel that looks really nice and really amazing. And as you see, this black color heel looks really nice, a very pretty kind of heel that looks really nice. And this heel looks really pretty, a very beautiful kind of heel that looks really nice and amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful transparent kind of heel that looks really nice and amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty color, black color, and that looks really nice. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more beautiful and pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of heel that looks really nice and amazing. And this black color heel looks really pretty, very beautiful and clean black. And this one is also a very beautiful, a little bit transparent thing that looks really nice and really pretty. And as you see, this heel looks really nice, a very different kind of heels. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end.